I honestly can't be happier. I'm so grateful to all the team and all the work from everybody. And honestly, this last stage was so difficult and so much stress. A lot of navigation, a lot of tricky notes. A few times a bit confusing and not sure if I was going the right way. And honestly, my head can explode. But what a feeling, you know, all of these moments along the way and the harder times that you have, it just makes the feeling more great. You know, the last 10 minutes I was not sure or not if I won, and now they've told me, and wow, dream come true. Two different colors as well.
Was full stressed for everyone, but finally we made 1 and 3 with our new bike, so we give them something back. Everything works really good together, and yeah, I'm just super happy.
We are quite happy, you know, with the new regulation and with the new T1 Plus and 3 different teams strong. It's possible anyone can win here, you know. But we did a good job. Me and Matthias, the teams, always we are in good shape from beginning of Dakar, and yeah, we are quite happy, you know. Thank for everybody, thank for all the support, thank, you know, for who support us, you know, for to win this Dakar. This was very important for me because it's here in our region, you know, and I'm so happy.
We did a good rally, we had a good rhythm, it worked well with my co-driver and also with the car, so I'm happy to do the rally like that. At the beginning, after a few days, we were thinking everything will be lost, and finally we could still fight until the end for the second place, and so it's at the end of the rally, it's not too bad.
My team, Chilean, on the good strategy for the 2 weeks. I think we need every day for the los time, the final lap is the long race.